You could have a personal coding mentor available 24 by 7, one who can adapt to your skill level, one who can guide you step by step in solving the data structure and algorithm. Hi, myself Suyash. Currently, I am building AI powered DSA Coach. The platform like LeetCode throws problem at you without understanding your learning style. Beginner get overwhelmed, intermediate learner can miss the optimal patterns, and even the advanced coder need the targeted feedback. And AI powered coaching system with multiple specialized agent, a mentor agent to understand your thought process, code agent to provide you intelligent feedback, and the evaluation agent to track your growth. It's like having three experts working together just customized for you. Uses the layered architecture with orchestration agent at the center. This agent basically manages the three specialized agent, that is mentor agent, code agent and evaluation agent. Along with this we have persona manager which adapt according to the user skill, whether user is a beginner who need encouragement, an intermediate user who needs the pattern recognition, and the advanced user who wants the interview level challenges. Content portion of AI DSA Coach, which is built using the Streamlit, so we can select different DSA problems. So let's select to some problem, and we can also select different programming language. So let's select the Python language. Currently we are in the mentoring agent section, and this uh, from the detection detects whether the user is beginner, intermediate or advanced. Currently we are given to some problem where our goal is to return the indices of two number which sums up to the target. So for example, 2 plus 7 which sums up to the 9. So we have written the indices of 2 and 7. Entire user journey. Currently we are in the mentoring section. So let's say we are user is unable to understand the problem. When we submit the approach, then a mentor agent will respond. So mentor agent have find that user is beginner, and we have noticed that it is not just giving the answer. Instead of it is breaking down the problem and guiding me to think about the approach. This is personalized mentoring, not just the instruction. So let's say now we say can we use the loop, and when we submit the approach, then agent is asking for more step by step in detailed approach. Still I am unable to think about the approach, so we can also use hint. So when so when we use the hint, it provides us the hint and make it like a real world coding interview mentor agent would do. Suppose we give input to the agent that we can use nested loop. Outer loop will go through each element and inner loop will check the remaining element, and when we submit the approach, the AI adjusted its tone, provided the hints at the right moment, and have the deep understanding before the coding. Now finally we will submit the step by step detailed approach, and when we submit the approach us to the then now it has redirected us to the coding section. Here we can code, and currently we are in the coding agent section. This is the code for the to some problem, and when we run the code, our agent identifies that there is syntax error at line number 2. So suppose here we need to put the semicolon, and when we again run the code, still there is error, so we need to put semicolon here. And when we run it, now our code is successfully running, and agent is saying that great job, and our code has successfully been run. Having the code assistant, so basically I am asking code assistant whether my algorithm is correct. When I ask the code assistant about the, then it is reply. Here code assistant have replied us that yes, your approach is correct, but it is not the efficient one, so you need to optimize your code more. Then we can go to the evaluation section. Here we have the final agent, that is evaluation agent, which will evaluate our code. So technical implementation is 4, problem solving is 6, and currently we are taking time complexity of n square, so we can optimize this code to the O of n time complexity by using hash maps, and rest of the detail is shown here. We have used one hint. Make this really innovative. First, we are the only platform using multi-agent orchestration for coding education. While LeetCode uses the static problem approach, we are using the dynamic personalized coaching. Secondly, system understand your skill level and adapt to the user skill in the real time. The market opportunity is massive, with over 50 million developers worldwide and coding interview prep being a $2 billion market. Two key segments: job seeker preparing for the technical interview, and computer science student learning the algorithm. Thank you.